Here's 3 very different ways to get tattoo stencils from designs, especially if they've either got color, they're solid black, or they're realistic. So I'm going to show you 3 different techniques that you can do in seconds to get a perfect outline. So take this design I've done, for instance. We're going to come up on here, select the design, go hue saturation just at the top, turn this all the way down so it's black and white. Duplicate the layer, click on the layer, and now click invert. So it goes like this. Once you have this, click on the N and go to color dodge. From color dodge, we're going to go up here, click Gaussian blur, just turn this up a little bit, and boom. Just like that. All that black shading, everything is gone. Exactly how you want. You're going to just slightly adjust it, get your lines more crisp. But it's a really easy way of getting the design, especially when it's like traditional, neo-traditional, or color work. Really good, that one. That's option number 1. Option number 2, let's go for the bats. So when you have a solid infill design like this, we want to get a nice outline just around the outside edge. But how can we do that in seconds? Well, really easy way, people. Create a layer just below it. I'm going to drag white. And I'm going to merge the 2. So you can see it's like a nice solid image now, just like this. And once it's a solid image, just click up in here, click curves. And all you want to do is drag this up, drag the line down like this, and bring this across just a little bit. And boom, just like that, we now have the outline. You can obviously duplicate this, set to multiply, do it several times. It's going to make the line a bit darker if you want a bit more thicker. But that's how you do it for solid infill designs. And then lastly, when you have an image like this. So again, I'm going to create a layer, put this just above it. I'm going to drag white below, and I'm going to merge these together. This is just so that there's no fade. If there's a fade around the outside, it kind of ruins this. So you want to make sure it's got a nice solid white background to this. We're going to duplicate this, click this, and set the N to divide. Now, once it's on divides, you're going to go Gaussian blur, and you want to turn this up just a little bit, just so you can kind of see the design. You want it to be nice and faint. Don't go too crazy, because you lose the line detail. You want it to be just about around here, like so. Now, what you're going to do, merge those together, click curves, and you're going to bring this bottom one across like so. And now all that line detail is exactly where you need it to be, just like that. So that's how you do it for a realistic design, a solid infill, and something that's like traditional, neo-traditional Japanese with color and stuff. But yeah, I hope that's helped people. I'm Puppet, and I'll see you next time. Peace.